Hello everyone, my name is Abigial Rymmai. I study in KV Nehu and the class which I study in is class 6 and I live in Nongshim. I started singing since I was a kid and yes, I do feel nervous and sometimes when I get on the stage I feel a little bit shaky, feel a little bit shy, like it's a lot to take in. But then with the help of my coach, I've learned to not be nervous and just give it all that I've got. And I'm really thankful to Sur Kynud that they put out this competition so that we can show our talent and to the dear viewers to please like and share my video so that you can help me stay in the next round and to help me get better and better. And the Sur Kynud is not like other competition because in this competition we get good coaching and the name of my coach is Miss Lapriang and she's really helped me to improve a lot and she's give us so much learning to do, and that really helps us a lot. I would really like to thank Father Michael for giving me the right platform to showcase my talent. Thank you.